Setting up locations correctly in Employment Hero Payroll creates the foundation for efficient workforce management. As specialists who've implemented these systems across various industries, we understand what matters most. In this video, you'll learn how to establish your location structure, configure access permissions, and manage employee location assignments. We'll also cover how to adjust location availability and handle sublocation hierarchies effectively. So first thing I'm going to do is create locations, and I'm going to scroll down to payroll settings and locations, which is under the pay run settings tab. And in here, I have my list of locations already here. Now, what you'll always see is the business name will be the parent location. And you can see there are other locations underneath different layers or different steps. So these are all sub-locations within each other. So we have admin and support, so they're on the same level as each other. And then under the support location, I have client A, client B, and client C. So if I wanted to create a new location or sub-location, I just click on the plus symbol beside whatever location I want to create a sub-location under. So I'm going to click the plus, and under admin, we might say office staff. And you can see here, it says this is a sublocation of, and you can adjust that if you have selected incorrectly, but I'm going to leave that as a sublocation under admin. And then I can just click on save. So now underneath admin, I have office staff. Now, if we wanted to create a second sublocation underneath admin, again, I would click on the plus symbol beside admin, not beside office staff, because I want to create the sublocation as under admin. So I'll click on plus and say if we say finance. There we go. And one more setting that I have here is we can make this sublocation available to all employees. So if we leave this unticked, then this location will be created, but no employees will have access to it. And what I mean by employees having access to it, it means that they can select this location when they're going to clock in and clock out. So if you created a location and you wanted all of your employees to have that location available, you can tick make this location available to all employees. If not, you can leave that unticked. So I'm going to tick this one. I'm going to click save. And when you're looking at your locations, you can see available to all here in this column, and you'll be able to see any of the locations that are available to everyone and any of the ones that aren't. And you'll notice that any of the ones that aren't available to anyone or to everyone, they have a number beside them in here. So this one is available to 0 employees, and this one's available to 5 employees. So if I wanted to allocate this office staff location to maybe just a couple of my employees, I can just click on this edit button here, which is the blue pencil icon. And where it says employee list, I can click on the little arrow key beside here, and I can search for whatever employees that I want to have access to this. Now, there are a few different fields that we can search for. So if I wanted to say, select any employees under the pay schedule admin, for example. I don't have any employees under that pay schedule in this example, but if I clicked fortnightly, I can see all of those employees. I want to give all of these employees access to this office location, so I can just tick on this, click on save, and now I can see that I have 8 employees allocated to this office staff location. And that is how you can create different locations and assign them to different employees.